Setting up a new accounting system can be a daunting task, but today I'm going to show you how to streamline the process using Zoho Books. This 2026 guide will cover everything from initial configuration to entering your opening balances, so you can get your business finances organized quickly and accurately. If this tutorial helps you get your books in order, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest efficiency guides. Let's dive into the setup. First, log into your Zoho Books portal. You will be greeted with the initial configuration screen, where you need to select your business logo, choose the correct fiscal year, and confirm your time zone. Getting these right from the start is critical for accurate reporting down the line. Once that is done, we need to configure your taxes. Go over to the Settings menu and click on the Taxes tab. From here, select Tax Settings. The system will ask if your business is registered for taxes, so select the appropriate option based on your local requirements. Then, carefully enter your tax registration number into the field provided and hit Save. This ensures that every invoice you generate later is tax compliant. Next, let's talk about the chart of accounts, which is the backbone of your accounting system. Navigate to the Accountant tab on the left sidebar and click on Chart of Accounts. To add a new account, simply click the plus New Account button. From there, select the account type, such as expense, income, or asset. Enter a descriptive account name and click Save. Do this for all the categories you need to track. Finally, we need to handle your opening balances. Navigate to Settings and locate Opening Balances. Click the Edit button and begin entering your starting balances for each account. The most important rule here is that your total debits must exactly equal your total credits. Otherwise, your books will not be balanced. Once you have verified the numbers, click Confirm. And there you have it. Your accounting system is now fully configured and ready for business. Remember, keeping your books accurate is the key to business success. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more professional software tutorials. Thanks for watching.